Champion all in my veins. Turn up the city, turn up the city. Might start a ride, they better come get me. I got the ball and I'm running it straight through the door. Ain't stopping it.
It's Mega Raptor Winter Day. When did we give that away? OB44?
Yeah.
So it was a part of the commercial grade rig. We gave away a Mega Raptor on top of the 2 machines, the tag trailer and the dump truck. So shout out to Jake. Jake just drove here from New Jersey to pick this thing up. Him and his brother are here. And it looks like they came with a proper rig. I'd say that thing's pretty sick. Tinted out truck, sick trailer, and it's so tinted out. I don't know if they're in the truck or they're actually walking up behind us right now. I think we got bamboozled. I'm walking up to the truck, that's murdered out. I don't know if they're in there. What's up, dude? Steve.
How are you?
Good, man. How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. What's your name?
My brother, Justin.
Justin? Nice to meet you. How was the trip?
It was good. It wasn't bad.
Nice.
A couple hours.
Yeah.
Road trip.
That's what's up, dude.
Yeah, got a new trailer. No big deal.
That's sick. I walked out here, prepared.
Well,
that's badass.
Buying a trailer out here is easier than over there.
No doubt. Yeah, no,
that's the one he always wanted.
Perfect.
So we got a little buddy a trailer, you know?
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Well, that's what's up. Sick truck to put on a brand new trailer like that, too. That's for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. She'll do.
Hell yeah.
She'll do.
Oh, man.
Hey, how are you?
Congrats,
Jake.
dude.
Thank you. Yeah.
Justin. Gust. Nice to meet you, man. You guys all pumped up?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with this thing,
I have
bro?
no idea, dude. I don't even know.
badass.
I don't think I can fathom how big it actually is.
No.
Not yet. No.
Not
Yeah.
until you get in it.
I don't. Yeah.
It takes a couple hours to get used to it. So you're
Yeah,
ping
and it's
ponging and
great
white
for-
knuckling, but you just gotta loosen your grip. And
Yeah, he was like, "Oh, we'll just go fly out there and drive it home." And I was watching guys driving around. I was like, "Nah, we're not driving that 8 hours."
Yeah.
I was like, "I don't think." That's why I texted you. I was like, "What do you think?" He's
600
like,
miles, that's a hike.
is this the firefighter?
Yes.
Oh yeah, dude. Maybe the city will give you a stipend for using it.
Yeah, we were joking
I told him
around.
that.
about
I was
that.
like, oh, we should just sell it to the fire department. Yeah, hell yeah. There you go.
Because
Yeah.
are you guys upstate, or are you guys by areas where you would need to get off road for any sort of reason?
No, we live.
No, there's a swamp in town. That's about it. A big swamp.
Yeah, there. But if you go down
Swamp catches on
south,
fire,
Jersey,
you
there's
need to
like
get
the Pine
back there,
Barrens
dude.
and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's access roads
They're
though
like
for
down
that.
there.
Is there? What's the city around you?
Well, let's go. I'm gonna go in and act surprised when you walked in and
Hell
pop
yeah.
the poppers. Act like I never met you before.
All right. It's all you. Give it a knock, they open it. Let's go.
Yeah, that's a big truck there. Holy shit. Well, hopefully it fits on the trailer.
What are you thinking right now?
It's surreal. I mean, I bet anybody that wins thinks the same thing.
100%.
Sounds better than my truck. What's going on? How are you?
You had a special giveaway day, the owner.
I'm Chris. Nice to meet you. How you doing? Jacked up. Doing great. How are you doing? Sick, huh? Yeah. Oh my God. No one's gonna miss me driving this thing around, right? No, that's the only problem with these things is if you do something stupid, like they're gonna be able to find you pretty easy. It's not that easy to hide with.
You're the only one that has it.
Yeah. Especially this color. No, it's a nice color. Did you guys drive through the night last night, or did you stay out this way? No, we drove to Berlin to Gingrich Trailers. Bought the trailer, picked it up this morning, and then drove another 2 hours here. Yeah. Perfect. I volunteer with like a veterans charity. Yeah. And I told them when I won the truck, I was like, we'll just use it in the parade. That's perfect. You could haul people around them and do whatever you want. I don't think people truly understand what it takes to build these. Like if you were to go get one brand new built, you'd be $250,000. Well, I was trying to explain it. Like a bunch of guys saw the video and they were like, "Oh, you want a Raptor?" And I was like, "No, it's a Mega Raptor." All right, it's totally different. They're like,
You got my little white Raptor sitting next to it, and you got the Mega Raptor.
the guy, shout out Phil at the firehouse who just bought a Raptor a few months ago. He's like, "What are you gonna do with that?" I was like, "I'm just gonna park it on the hood of your truck." And these lights, unbelievable. Baja Designs, they don't sponsor us or anything like that, but like if you look into off-road stuff, like
That's what these people use. So like, you guys will get snow, these lights in snow with the yellow. Well, it'll push through the light. You know when you turn your high beams on real snowy, it makes it almost worse. These will go through with it being yellow, yeah. I mean, those lights are probably $1,500 a piece. No, this thing's insane to say the least. Yeah, I wouldn't suggest doing anything super crazy, but hey.
He's really mellow. He's not going to do anything crazy.
Well, we'll get out of your guys' hair so you can finish up the technical stuff, and then when you're done, come over. We'll show you around.
I'd love to check it out. I appreciate that.
I'm pumped to hear how your kids react to this. Like,
Dude,
that is.
I'll video and I'll send it to you.
Perfect.
Yeah,
They're gonna do it. They're like boys, so they're gonna do. Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my god, Dad.
That's awesome.
They're going to be climbing all over it in 2 seconds.
Hell yeah.
You drive me to school? No. Not in that thing. We're not driving.
You should
We don't need more attention. Go to baseball practice, t-ball practice in this thing.
Yep.
Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Badass truck. You can win you can win stuff like this if you head to our website and buy stuff like this hat. Just saying. Homebossblackwood.com. We're gonna pull this thing out. Jake and Justin came out and picked up a brand new trailer today. So you guys are gonna see a brand new trailer, and this truck's gonna be out of here shortly. Pretty sick. Pretty freaking cool trailer.
She's a beast.
Sounds so good.
It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
It looks like Bigfoot's driving through the parking lot.
It's awesome. Look at it.
He doesn't even need to put the trailer down. He could just drive it up on
No, literally.
Twice the size of your truck. We should just tow your truck home with the blue one.
I like where you parked it. It's a good size comparison.
We're going to put it on a toothpick to bring it home.
I went to get in, I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta jump up in this thing. I'm 6'4", what the fuck? Load trail, if you're watching this, we apologize. These guys picked up a Max D trailer, they didn't know. They didn't know.
No one hooked us up. We'll take a load trailer.
Yeah, I'll take a load trail. Send it over.
Load trail, hop in the comments. Hell yeah, dude.
Insane.
Bro, I'm telling you, these Mega Raptor is crazy how well they handle. Like, pulling a regular truck up there, honestly, isn't that easy all the time. That thing's just got power and 40 force. It's crazy. Sick. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Mega Raptor winter day is over. Congrats, Jake, dude. You're taking home a sick whip.
Yeah.
That truck's awesome. And it looks pretty sweet on your brand new trailer. So.
Yeah, it's a lot of truck right there.
Absolutely. Yeah. I feel it's a proper first haul for a new trailer, and these guys making the drive out.
Yes, it is.
It's insane.
That's ridiculous.
So sick.
No one's going to miss that thing going down the road.
Absolutely. No one's going to miss you driving around. That's the best part.
It's just been an awesome experience. Thank you, all you guys, all the guys in the shop, everything.
Absolutely, dude. Well,
Thanks for the support, dude.
Yeah, it's been an awesome experience talking to you guys. It's been hours now at this point, like just sharing like-minded thoughts and mindsets and whatnot. It's a good feeling. So
Same season.
we'll have to have you back out, dude. We'll do an interview. I know we didn't do a proper winter interview. I know some of you guys watching this might want to see that. So we're gonna have Jake back out and we'll do some other content. But if you want to be like Jake, head to homebossblackwood.com and right now you can get entered for OB45, which is a badass Denali Ultimate, a skid steer, and a paint match trailer. You can change your life with that. And it's the final week of the giveaway, so it's your last opportunity to get entered. So go to the website, make a purchase. We got new hats. I'm wearing a new hat right now, and there's t-shirts. Anything on the website gets you automatically entered. You can be showing up like Jake on winter day. You never know.